Hi, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is around. This is an A1 level adverb, which means it's perfect for beginners learning English. Around means in a circle or nearby, and it's a word we use often in daily conversations. Let's start with the meaning of around. Imagine something moving in a circular motion, like a car going around a roundabout. It can also mean something close by, as in, are there any restaurants around here? Now, let's talk about some synonyms. Words like about, near, or approximately can sometimes have similar meanings. For example, instead of saying, there are many shops around the corner, you could say, there are many shops near the corner. Another example is, the children are running around the playground, which could also be expressed as, the children are running about the playground. On the other hand, antonyms help us understand contrasting meanings. Opposites of around might include away or distant. For instance, if someone says, there's a gas station around here, the opposite might be, the gas station is far away. Let's see how you can use around in everyday life. If you're asking for directions, you might say, is there a bank around here? When talking about approximate numbers, you could say, there were around 50 people at the event. If you're describing a location, you could say, she looked around the room to find her keys. Here are a few more examples. He turned around to see who was calling him. Park is just around the corner. They traveled around the world on a cruise ship. So, that's around for you. It's a versatile word that's easy to use and incredibly handy for beginners. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word. And before you go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using around and share it in the comments. Who knows, I might share it in a future episode. Thanks again for listening, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.